Hello everyone. I am going to introduce to you people on topic crops as biofuel. Since the beginning of civilization, humans have depended on organic material or biomass for cooking and heat. Many developing countries in Asia and Africa still do. Biofuel or bioenergy is the chemical energy contain a biomass that can be converted into direct useful energy sources using biological, mechanical or thermochemical process. Biofuel are the renewable energy sources made from organic matter or waste that can play a valuable role in reducing carbon dioxide emission. Biofuel are one of the largest sources of renewable energy in use today. In the transport sector, they are blended with existing fuel such as gasoline and diesel. An introduction of biofuel. Biofuel is a fuel that is produced from living organisms, most often referring to plant or plant derived material. Plant fixes atmospheric carbon dioxide via photosynthesis to produce polysaccharides such as cellulose and hemicellulose. Because biofuel are produced from plant derived polysaccharides, carbon dioxide does not increase when biofuels are used, which refer to the concept of carbon neutrality. Thus, use of biofuel is an effective way to combat against the global climate change by reducing CO2 emission. Non-food based biomass including rice straw, corn straw, forest thinning residue are promising resources of biofuel production. Since use of non-food based biomass does not compete with food production with respect to land use. Crop use in biofuel. The mainly use of crop in biofuels are corn, jatropha, soybean, palm oil, and sugarcane. These crops are mostly used as a biofuel. In corn, corn is the king in the world of ethanol-based biofuel. Sugar-rich corn is turned into ethanol in a similar fusion to beer brewing. The kernel are grouped up and mixed with warm water and yeast. The yeast ferment the mixture to produce ethanol. This ethanol is then blended with gasoline to use in existing car engine. This mixture releases less carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide and sulfur than runoff the mill gasoline and by virtue residue smoke in cities. The reason the kernel alone are used is because the main body of the plant contains cellulose, which is difficult and expensive to break down. In Jatropha, this ugly poisonous weed is a big player in the biofuel market. The bushes grow quickly, do not require a large amount of water, and their seed have around 40% oil content. India is currently the world's largest jatropha producer, and their biodiesel industry is centered in this crop. This has allowed the country to bring economic benefit to rural farmers who can grow this crop on normally poor agriculture land. Jatropha plant can live for 50 years and do very well on land devastated by drought and pest. The seed of the plant are crushed to release the oil for biodiesel production. But the seed cases and vegetable matter are not waste. They can also be used as a biomass fuel in soybean. Not just used to tofu or tacos, crayons and shampoos. Soybean can be used as a fuel source. Most of the biodiesel in the USA is predicted on soybean. Motor vehicles, heavy equipment, even buses can run on pure soybean biodiesel. Or, of course, blending with more traditional diesel fuel. The National Academy of Science states that soybean diesel yield more energy than corn ethanol. In palm, Palm oil is extracted from the fruit of palm tree and it is one of the more energy efficient biodiesel fuel on the market. Diesel engine do not need to be converted to run on palm oil either. Palm oil biodiesel is less pollutant than gasoline as well. Palm oil has helped develop the economy of Malaysia and Indonesia in the particular, but they have been burning thousands of area and forests to grow the crop. In sugarcane, Brazil has been working tirelessly to reduce its development on fossil fuel over the year. These American countries has been growing energy crops since the 1970s as a direct consequences of the Middle East oil embargo. When oil prices leaped, the Brazilian government encouraged its farmers to plant sugarcane. Sugarcane is used to produce bioethanol. Not unlike corn, Brazil has invested billions of dollars into this industry to such as extent that is now cheaper than gasoline. Interestingly, in the 1980s, most cars in Brazil were ethanol powered. Today, most utilize flexible fuel engine. Producing ethanol for sugar is 6 times cheaper than corn. Thank you.